Welcome to Patio Kits Direct. Today we're going to go over a great add-on feature, and that is our recessed lights. So recessed lights, when you order your patio cover, do not come with them pre-installed into the cover. You're going to have to cut them in yourself. So when you're talking to your sales rep, okay, you want to think about the lights running out from the house, the attachment point, to the projection. And how we identify that is we ask, how many bays of lights would you like? So in this scenario, we have one bay right here, and then another bay right here. Then we need to define how many in that bay you want. In this scenario, there's 3 lights within that bay and another 3 lights within that bay. And that's how you would relay that information to your sales rep. Again, you're going to have to cut these in. You can buy the lights from us, or you can locally supply them through a hardware store. But we do recommend our lights. They are 600 lumen LED, and on top of the patio cover, it has a flashing cap for the non-insulated, and then the insulated, there's a conduit panel for the installation of the wiring. So all that can be explained in the instructions, but again, we just wanted to go over the light situation. And you can reach us at 888-851-8351 or visit us at patiokitsdirect.com. Thank you.